How to create a newsletter on Gumroad. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a newsletter on Gumroad. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Gumroad, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Gumroad, it is an e-commerce platform designed for creators to sell digital products and physical merchandise directly to their audience. And with Gumroad, anyone can earn their first dollar online by starting with what they know and saying what tricks. And also the platform also offers a simple marketing tool that allows users to create and format headings, paragraphs, block quotes, images, and videos in all one place. It also supports both static and dynamic content, making it easy to customize and style content using a rich text element. And now to start using this platform, you could also click the Start Selling button on the top right corner, or you could also click the Login button if you already have an account. And upon clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page, and from here you could also sign up or log in using your Facebook, Google, X, Stripe, and also by entering here all of the information such as email and password. But in those options, I'm going to choose to log in using my Google account. And after that, just go to your email inboxes, in which you need to activate by simply entering here the code that has been sent to your email inboxes. And after that, you will be directed on this page or the home page from Gumroad, in which it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating, such as home, products, collaborators, checkout, emails, workflow, sales, analytics, and many more. And under the home page from here, you can also set up your account. However, to start creating an email newsletter, just proceed by clicking the emails option on the left side panel, and upon clicking on it, from here, to start creating your new email, just click the new email button on the top right corner in here. And after clicking on it, from here, all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information, including the title in here. And also below is the content of your email. So for instance, I'm just going to paste the letter that I've created in here. And if you read in this email, we're giving a complimentary Starbucks voucher. So I'm going to enter here or edit this here, coffee lover. Well, for the title of it, let's say I'm going to enter here, newsletter email, free Starbucks voucher. And aside from that, you could also edit below here the content. Let's say we want to add another kind of context in here by simply clicking any of this part. And let's say at the end of it, I'm going to enter here the context, claim your free voucher. In which by highlighting all of this context, you could also bold, make it italic, underline, and even customize any of this context. Using some of the editing tools that you can find at the top panel of it. You could also even insert an image, insert link, and many more. And below here, you could also attach a files from your computer files that you can upload directly in here. So basically below here, you can simply attach the files for our voucher that contain the code in order for the customer to claim it. And for instance, I'm just going to enter here a sample picture that I'm going to upload. And from here, all you need to do is simply wait for it to be fully uploaded and proceed by clicking the save button on the top right corner in order to proceed. And upon saving it, it will show you that the changes has now been saved. And now to see what the email looks like of the newsletter that we just created, just click the preview button on the top panel in here. And upon clicking on it, we will now be able to be directed on the next tab, in which from here it will show us the newsletter email that contain the free voucher, in which if the customer try to click this view content right here, they will be able to see the files that contain our voucher code. And they can simply download the files and use it to purchase a drinks on Starbucks. Now moving on, aside from creating a newsletter, you could also navigate here on the left side panel to edit or customize your account settings under settings option below here. In which from here, you could also navigate to customize your profile info or settings by clicking on profile section. From here, you can change or customize your username, name, bio, and even your logo in here. And you could also connect your social links such as your Twitter, change the font style, the background color, the highlight color, and many more. And aside from that, from here, you could also navigate or change or even link your payments method by clicking the payment section and just simply filling out all of the required information to link in your payment method that you prefer. However, you should have or upload a valid ID in here in order to do so. And now moving on, let's say we want to also add a products. By clicking the products option on the left side panel, we can simply click the new product in order to simply add here a product. By clicking on it, we will be able to be directed in this page, and from here under the name, just enter the name of your product. And since we just created a voucher, we're going to create a product on it, which is digital product, and I'm going to name it $10 voucher coffee. Then below here, after selecting digital product as the product type, below here the next thing that we need to do is to simply enter the price of it. And since we're giving the free voucher, I'm going to enter here under price $0. And now to proceed, just click next customize button on the top right corner. And after that, we will be able to be directed on this page right here. Then below here, you could also enter here the description under the product section, in which you could also make it bold, italic, underline, and any other context that you prefer in here. So for instance, under this description, I'm going to enter here promo of Starbucks anniversary. That is just only for example. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you can also enter the URL and your custom domain, and even upload a cover photo of it, which you can choose to upload from your computer files or external link. Let's say I'm going to select computer files, and I'm going to upload here a photo of Starbucks logo. And all you need to do is wait for it to be uploaded, and after that, you'll now be able to see here the cover photo. And for the thumbnail, you could also enter here the thumbnail of your product, and under product info, I'm going to enter here the call to action, which is I want this. And under summary, you can also navigate or customize this one. However, at this point, I'm just going to skip some of this part. Now under additional details, you can also add detail if you want to, such as attribute and value. And aside from that, you could also add integration to invite your customers to Circle community. While pricing, as you can see, we could also customize in here. Now moving on, if you're now done, just click the save and continue button on the top right corner. And after that, we will be able to be directed under content. And from here, we could also enter our newsletter email that we just entered earlier. And from here, we could also start customizing some of those email or the context inside in our content. For example, I'm going to enter here, Dear Coffee Enthusiast. And on the left side panel, it will show you some of the rating that you could also add, or for some other viewers that also need to enter here a review or feedback from this email. Now on the top panel, you could also navigate here some of the options, such as to make it bold, italic, underlined, make it justified, and even change the format a bit. And now to proceed, just click the Save Changes button on the top panel, or the Publish button to proceed. And after clicking on it, from here, you will now be able to see here that you can also share to your social media account, and even to some of your friends, and to other customer in here. And now to see the preview of it, you could also click this arrow right here to see the preview. Then we'll be able to be directed on this page right here, in which this is basically what a customer or viewer will see. And if they try to click this I want this button right here, they will also get the voucher that contain the code on it. So overall, that is just basically how you can create a newsletter on Gumroad. Thank you.